Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to use coupons on Shein app. Using coupons will help you to get discounts on your purchase. So yeah, I'll show you how to use them. Let's get started. First of all, be sure you've installed the Shein app on your phone and you have logged into your account. If you have not installed the app and you don't know how to, then you can just go through our other videos and you'll find a video on how to install Shein app as well. I've made a tutorial on it. So yeah, now let's get started. First of all, open the app on your device. Now all you have to do to use a coupon is just choose an item and then wait until you are checking out. So I'll show you how. I chose this dress right here. You can purchase any item you want to and then tap on the add to bag option. As you can see, we've added the item to our shopping bag. So let's go back and tap on the shopping bag icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now on this checkout page, you can see this option coupon alert at the bottom of the page. So tap on that option. After you tap on that option, you'll see a list of coupons that are available for you, as you can see here. Unfortunately, I cannot use any of these coupons for now because I need a purchase of either above $3 or above $10. To continue, you'll simply have to go to the checkout page and insert the coupons code on a blank space provided there. And after you continue, the coupon's worth will be used for your purchase. This is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for further tutorials. Thank you.